Alright guys, I'm just doing a walk around of this trailer that I picked up because when I picked it up it was too late and it's freaking literally new. The tags are still on this bike, man, on this trailer, and I just examined it right now because when I picked it up it was just too late, and they had even the manuals with it. So I mean the trailer is like literally spanking new. Uh, The tags are on it. I mean, you couldn't ask for anything better. So what I did is I bought one of these for 40 bucks. I flipped it, turned it to 210, and then I bought another one for 80 bucks. Like spanking new, guys. These are like 380 bucks. The funny thing is I had bought one of these brand new, 2 levels up, and I spent like $600. Today I went and bought a brand new one of these for 80 bucks. Today was a great day. 30-day Flip-a-thon challenge. This is day 9, second deal. And just a quick walk around. I mean, I'm going to personally use this thing and put thousands of miles on it, and then sell it for 300. I mean, sell it for 200 bucks, 250. I could easily sell this for 300 bucks because it's spanking new. The tags are still on it. Anyways, quick update.